The pinyin combination of letter IU in Chinese is from IOU. So the pronunciation of IU in Chinese is actually from IOU. And since OU in Chinese is pronounced as letter O, so IU actually is pronounced as yo, yo. So the word here is called liu, liu. And you can simply read it as liu. The pinyin combination of UI in Chinese is from UEI. So we can simply read it as wei, wei. So the word here is called hui, hui. The pinyin combination of UN in Chinese is from UEN. So we can simply read it as wen, wen. So the word here is called kun, kun.